Hey everyone, this video is for committed parents and caring relatives who want to be effective in child custody proceedings. The bottom line on being effective in child custody is doing what's best for the child. I mean, that is the umbrella. I mean, that's what the court's there to do. And one way to do that sort of applies on a basic level is do not engage your child about the co-parent or other relative that shares custody with you or has visitation of your child. And the reasons for these are several, and I'm sure you can think of your own. But one thing I'll mention real quick is that kids, young and old, teenager, adolescent, toddler, they learn so fast. And if they struggle to get mom's attention, if they can't get dad to sit down with them and have a conversation, they learn that if they talk about the other parent or the other relative that they live with part of the time, that the person they're staying with then gets really interested in what they have to say, whether it's good, bad, indifferent. So what happens is you're actually training them by giving them attention regarding those conversations. You're training them to just talk about the other parent when they're with you. So they get to your house and they talk about what was going on over there. Don't think for a minute that they're not learning that when they go over to the other parent's house or the other relative's house, that they're doing the same thing. So it's kind of like when somebody talks behind somebody else's back to you, don't think that they're not doing it to you. So if your child comes to you and has a legit concern or a health concern, or you see, without verbal expression, you see a behavior modification that gives you concern, maybe that's something to look into. But as far as just saying, hey, how are things at your mom's house? What'd y'all do? What'd y'all say? How was dinner? Don't get into all that, because you're going to train the kid that that's how really they need to engage you, and that's a good way to do that. And that's not good for anybody, and it's certainly not good for that child.